Beneath the transcription features narration from a narrator saying,
Trained experts move fast, but with absolute care in every step. Every second matters when life depends on precision and calm hands.
Science and compassion work together in moments like this.
Precision teamwork ensures the journey to safety begins smoothly.
Easy now, gently.
Secure the front strap first.
Got it, making sure it's snug and secure.
Keep steady. Make sure the straps are tight before the next turn.
Roger that, boss. All secure back here.
Every kilometer brings the rescued life closer to safety.
Constant monitoring ensures stability during long-distance transport.
Convoy, status confirmed. Move out.
Even rescue missions depend on precise logistical coordination.
The threshold of protection finally comes into view. Inside the sanctuary, a new chapter of healing begins. A full structured sanctuary stands ready to receive the rescued life.
Every entry is controlled to ensure absolute safety and care. The journey now leads to the heart of medical care.
Precision alignment ensures a safe and controlled transfer.
Every movement is calculated for zero risk and maximum care.
At this moment, transport ends and healing truly begins. First step inside care is stabilizing every vital condition.
Careful cleaning prepares the body for full medical evaluation.
Every detail is studied before moving to the next stage of care.
Proper nutrition planning begins immediately after intake evaluation.
Stable. Let's proceed.
Each case is carefully classified for the right treatment path.
Now begins the transition from treatment to recovery.
Recovery begins with carefully controlled nutrition and balance. Water therapy restores strength and stability step by step.
Movement is carefully restored under constant medical supervision.
A peaceful environment is essential for emotional healing.
Every behavioral change tells a story of recovery progress.
A critical milestone is achieved. Strength begins to return.
Strength returns through structured movement and guided training.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me. Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Look at the calf near the water. I see it. The collar seems secure.
Controlled challenges rebuild endurance and stability. Continuous monitoring confirms steady recovery progress.
Healing transforms into freedom within a living ecosystem.
Alert in quadrant gamma, herd movement pattern is irregular.
Acknowledged. Cross-referencing with health data. Vitals look good.
Rerouting drone feed for visual confirmation.
Aerial surveillance provides a complete view of natural behavior.
We have a code red on subject Echo. Mobilizing now.
Instant alerts ensure immediate medical response anywhere in the sanctuary.
Technology and nature now operate as one unified system. Final refinement ensures complete behavioral stability and confidence. Every response is measured to confirm full environmental adaptability.
Strength is confirmed through natural, unrestricted movement.
Scientific review confirms successful rehabilitation completion.
From care to freedom, life now continues in balance with nature. Final laboratory checks confirm complete biological stability. Long-term data proves sustained and reliable recovery.
A safe environment guarantees lasting well-being.
Behavioral balance is the final sign of full recovery. Every system confirms complete rehabilitation success.
The sanctuary now functions as a fully balanced living ecosystem.
Sustaining life requires precise planning and continuous care systems.
Feeder 2 is loaded and ready. Copy that, heading out now.
A synchronized system keeps the entire ecosystem functioning smoothly.
Every success story becomes a message for global conservation awareness. This is how protection transforms into a living, breathing world of freedom. And this is how mod of conservation ensures life continues in balance with nature.